After launching Oppo A6 Pro 5G back in September this year, the company has now launched the 4G version of it in Vietnam, with different design and specifications. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The new Oppo A6 Pro features a 6.57-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 1400 nits of peak brightness support, and it is protected by AGC DT Star D+ glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Helio G100 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, with microSD expansion support. As per the optics, the Oppo A6 Pro 4G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 7000 mAh battery, with 80 watts SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with ColorOS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 158.2 by 75.02 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 188 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo A6 Pro 4G has been priced in Vietnam for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 8,290,000 Vietnamese dong. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in lunar titanium, stellar blue, coral pink, and rosewood red color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo A6 Pro 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.